Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the den. Another Wednesday. Another not a shave day. Oh, what can I say? What can I say? I'm doing stuff, home improvements, stuff at the home, stuff at work, stuff with the family. Absolutely busy. I think maybe for a couple of weeks, I may just drop to the Saturday shave. So, it may be a bit hit and miss on the Wednesday, on the midweek shave. But look at if I can get one in, I will. But look at this. I came home to a wonderful box full of stuff. There you go. And a lovely handwritten, I'm sorry I've just spilled some water on it. A lovely handwritten note from Graham from Mr. Murray's Grooming Products. Hello, Graham. And thank you for the wonderful, generous gift. The box came here. There it is, all full of goodies. I'll open them and go through with them. I don't know what's in here myself, but he sent those to me. Thank you very much. So should we crack on? It feels awful ripping up all this tissue paper. Okay, Sicilian lemon aftershave splash. Oh, and by sheer coincidence, Sicilian lemon soap. Look at this, absolutely wonderful. Are you ready? Oh, that smells lovely. Do you know what I get? I get a lovely floral note from that. So there you go, thank you. And what's this one? London calling. Woo! Been calling me. Oh, now this. Oh, that's right up my street. What is this? Let me see. Saffron, black rose and patchouli. That's got a lovely... Oh, there's a lovely musky scent to that. Absolutely beautiful. I like my cologne type scents. So let's have a look now and see. Nope, that doesn't match that. So I think this one will. Thank you very much. It's very generous and very kind of you. Yeah. So we've got that much. So that's 2 sets. Thank you very much. Now, I feel awful. I have to be selective now on because the finances and so on. And I'm not buying as much soaps. And I saw Mr. Murray release this, and I thought I'm going to get one of them. And before I did, it looks like he's beat me to the pinch and sent it to me. So thank you very much, Graham. I keep calling him Martin. Oh my word, but look at this, look. From one wee Scot to another. Hey, absolutely beautiful. Malt whiskey, tallow shaving soap, Scotland the Brave. Look. Oh, you see that? That's got a wonderful cologne type boozy scent to it. I'll have to check that one out. But there you go. 3 soaps, 3 sets. Now I've got a couple of Mr. Murray's in there. Martin again. Graham has been very, very kind to me and sent me some. Where's Martin come from? Oh, do you know, I once remember a guitar teacher said to me, take it slow and get it right, because if you learn it wrong, you will always play it wrong. And that's kind of where my mind's at. Somebody was introduced me once by a different name, and I could never, it wouldn't register from then on that his name was something different. And I think that's what I'm doing with Graham. I nearly said Martin again. Oh, John, stop waffling. I'm going to do, it's MMGP. We're going to do Mr. Murray's Great Presents, hey? In December, every Saturday shave and an occasional midweeker is going to be MMGP. All the shaves in this month, guys, they're all going to be MMGP. Go and check that website out. I'll put a link to it. Don't sit on this one. Really, really do not sit on either of those. Absolutely wonderful. I'll put the link to it underneath this. Thank you very much, Graham. Some wonderful shaves coming up now, and it's going to be Mr. Murray's December present shave. So look after yourselves. If something changes, which I don't think it will, I'll try and get a shave out this week, but I highly doubt it. So I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Thank you everyone for all your support, and I will see you Saturday. Bye.